Hey everyone, Alex from cnc-o-rama here, and today I want to talk to you about an issue that comes up when you're probing your stock, but your stock isn't a rectangular stock, it's from solid. So let me just go into this scenario a little bit. This part is, if we made this out of rectangular stock, there would be a bunch of material in the middle here to remove. So I had a similar part where I opted to have the stock water jet cut out before, which saved a lot of milling. And so to do that, I had to create a stock from a solid like this. So it's a little bit bigger than the actual part. And then the issue I ran into was when it came to probing the stock, it was not happy about that. So that's what I'm talking about here. So I have two bodies here. One of the second body is actually my stock model. And in my setup under stock, I picked that larger body as the stock. All right, so I'm going to go create a probing routine. Let me select a tool. I'm just going to grab from the Fusion library a probe. Let me just grab this first one here. So with these probes, you can probe stock generally, but in here, if I created this stock from a solid, it won't let me probe the stock. So there is a workaround for this. So instead of calling my body the model, I'm going to call my stock the model. And then if I do probing, for my geometry, I'm going to probe the model itself. So I'll do X probe there. Let's see, I can do another probing. And I'll do a Y probe between these two faces. So basically between these two, it's going to find my X and Y. I could also add a Z probe. And you can actually select where you want it to probe with this. And maybe I want that Z probe first. Yeah, Z, X, Y. And then what I'm going to do is just create a new setup, put all my toolpaths in there. So now my model is body 1, and my stock is from solid, and that's this body 2. And then I just want to make sure I'm using the same work offset. And the same origin. Let me pick that origin there. All right, so I got two setups using the same origin, same work offset. And now I'll put on my tool paths under here to create this part. And then when I go to post the tool paths, I'm going to post both everything from setup 1 and everything from setup 2. And then that'll do my probing on the stock and then my tool paths. And that's how you do that. So it's just basically a separate setup for your probing only versus your tool path if you're using a solid model as your stock. So hope you got something out of that. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, and thank you.